home to pike minnow, bull trout, rainbow trout, and mountain whitefish. The South Thompson River has plenty to offer. Here, we're on the hunt for all of those. But we'll have to compete.
It's all good. Money. Chrysopium williamsoni, or the mountain whitefish, is a species of least concern as its conservation status. There are very stable populations everywhere that it is present in its native ranges. This in turn means that it can be caught a lot in the rivers and lakes, especially when not being targeted. Usually when people are trout fishing or even salmon fishing, a lot of times whitefish will come up and bite the hook instead, just because they are very present in these lakes and rivers. Although these fish aren't targeted very often, they are very delicious and are in fact really good eating fish. So what we have here is a mountain whitefish. We're able to distinguish this fish as a mountain whitefish due to the presence of this small protrusible mouth here at the end of its round conical snout. And another fact that helps us determine this is a whitefish is the presence of the adipose fin here, right above the caudal peduncle. This indicates that this fish is not part of the Cyprinidae family, even though it does look awfully similar to a minnow.
Cool. So this whitefish is found in most cold water streams and lakes throughout North America, and it's a demersal fish, which means it stays at the bottom of the water and kicks up rocks and tries to eat the insects. It's an opportunistic feeder as well.
Okay, so the lure we caught this mountain whitefish with is a little rainbow trout simulation, and this kind of makes sense at this time of year. Although whitefish are primarily insectivores, they can be opportunistic feeders, and as we know, salmon do spawn in the fall, in October generally, and then their fry emerge in early spring, such as right now in March. And this little guy does look pretty similar to a little salmon fry, so we do kind of understand why he did bite it, although they are insectivores.
Okay, so here we got Oncorhynchus micus, otherwise known as the rainbow trout. It's found in all cold water lakes and streams all over the world, every continent except Antarctica. It's a non-anadromous fish, so it stays in the lakes and rivers. And you can tell by this beautiful pink band that goes along the fish. And it's a member of the Salmonidae family. You could tell because of the presence of this adipose fin as well here. Despite habitat loss, invasive species, whirling disease, and other causes of mortality, the rainbow trout remains one of the top 5 sport fishing fish in North America and is still in high abundance due to many protections and hatcheries around the world. This fish here is a few pounds. In streams, they typically range from 1 to 5 pounds, and life expectancy is about 7 years, reaching sexual maturity between 2 to 4 years.
All right, so the lure we used to catch this guy was this fluorescent orange and gold spinner. It's not too big here. We believe this works really well at this time of year because it looks awfully similar to a salmon fry swimming through the river here. As we know, salmon spawn in the fall. They deposit their eggs in the stream beds, and